So good evening, good evening, good evening. A little bit later than usual, but we are here nevertheless. And we're going to talk about Mason Greenwood. And he has now left Manchester United and is looking for a new club. Steven Gerrard could be a route out, apparently. But then Gerrard's come out and said that's not true. I'm sure there'll be a whole host of clubs queuing up for him because one thing we do know is he is a top footballer. But anyway, we are going to get into all the nitty gritty of this because all of the good human beings on social media, best. Actually, I won't say what I want to say. It's fine. Let's move on. All these lovely human beings that have never done anything wrong in their lives, don't know all the ins and outs and all of that. But judge, jury, and execution of social media. That's the world we live in. It's a miracle I've not been cancelled. Keep trying, lads and lasses. Anyway, make sure you are smashing the like button into next year. That would be great. Very, very close to 20k now. Very, very close. So, this channel's flying. It's flying real quick as well. So, big up to everybody who has subbed to the channel already. We're on 19,733. Come on. Vamos. We move. We move. I hate that phrase and it's stuck in my head. But anyway, if we could get up to 20k, that'd be great. Make sure you are leaving your comments, the super chats down below as well. Also, I did a show with Rants earlier and the show with Terry. Go and check them out. And let's get into this. Rachel Riley's piped up again. But anyway, we'll get to that in a minute. A statement released by Greenwood yesterday said, I understand that people will judge me because of what they have seen and heard on social media. And I know that people will think the worst. I was brought up to know that violence or abuse is wrong. I did not do the things I was accused of. And in February, I was cleared of all charges. That's technically not true. They were dropped. But anyway, we move on. I was cleared of all the charges. The charges were actually dropped by the CPS, as I've just said, blah, blah, blah. When the key witnesses withdrew their involvement, and new material came to light. New material came to light. Keywords. Keywords. It was dropped by the Crown Prosecution Service when key witnesses withdrew their involvement and new material came to light. However, I fully accept my mistakes and I take my share of responsibility for the situation which led to the social media post. I'm learning to understand my responsibilities and set a good example as a professional footballer. And I'm focused on the big responsibility of being a father. Today, this is a decision that's been part of a collaborative process between Manchester United, my family, and me. The best decision for us all is for me to continue my football career away from Old Trafford, where my presence will not be a distraction for the club. I thank the club for their support since I have joined age 7. They will always be a part of me, which is Man United. I'm enormously grateful to my family and all my loved ones for their support. And this is now time for me to repay the trust in those around me that they have shown. I intend to be a better footballer, but most importantly, a good father, a better person, and to use my talents in a positive way on and off the pitch. He has got 2 years left on his contract. So listen, I don't know whether they're paying him off. I'd imagine they are because there's no way he's leaving for nothing. So I'd imagine that when all charges have been dropped because new evidence came to light, there's no way he's walking out of there with nothing. But anyway, let's carry on. Rachel Riley obviously pops up the other day and said she'll stop supporting Man United. Like anybody cares if Mason Greenwood plays for them again. But anyway, she was on the News Agents podcast. She said the statement was put out proclaimed someone innocent from the position that they didn't have any authority to do. That was way beyond the remit of Man United to even look into a criminal guilt or innocence, never mind a civil level of guilt or innocence. I think it's gaslighting for people to have two statements saying Mason Greenwood himself saying that he's been cleared of all charges, which is not the case. The claims were dropped because key witnesses dropped out, and a claim of new evidence. Well, it's not a claim. It's been said and it's actually happened, hasn't it? This woman loves to chat. It puts winds in the sails of people who think they can get away with abuse everywhere. And I think for the victims, it's a slap in the face. It says you're better to keep quiet. Right, let me just stop right there. The alleged victim has just had his baby, love. He's just had his baby. And they're engaged to be married. But Rachel Riley knows better. Rachel Riley knows exactly what Mason Greenwood's Beyonce is thinking, feeling, and what happened, because she was apparently there. Like she was a fly on the wall. She knows exactly what happened, and that's it. But anyway, I've never been more ashamed of the club. I think it's a disgrace, she said. And they had another opportunity to make it right, make a good statement, and they have just green-lighted the abuse that has been going on social media. Asked whether Arnold should consider his position at United, she said, yes, I do. Steven Gerrard has dismissed speculation that the club he manages, Al Ettifaq, are considering Greenwood, reacting to a headline claiming the Saudi club are mulling over a move for the former Man United player. He said it's fake news. Now listen, Rachel Riley, I don't know who put this woman on her high horse, but like I've said a million times, I understand why people are so concerned that he's may be coming back to Man United. Well, obviously that's not happening now, because cancel culture is a real thing. Man United took a route out of that because of sponsors, because of the backlash it got on social media. Now, let's be real. Most of the fans that sit on social media, number one, don't go to games. They just sit and chat crap on social media, right? Number two, I personally believe when it's been thrown out of court, if he wasn't with the woman, I've said this on it before, if he wasn't still with the woman, you could go, cool, fair enough, they've split. But the fact that they're still together, had a baby and got engaged, well, who are we to judge then? Like, no disrespect here, but if the woman that's alleged to have been involved in this has now given birth to his child, then what's it got to do with anyone else? I don't get it. But this is social media for you. And Man United have took a route out of it that's going to cost them a couple of million quid, 5 million quid. What's he on? 75 grand a week. So it's going to cost maximum, if they clear up his 2 years, 7 mil. They ain't going to pay him the 7 mil. He's probably took a couple of million to leave. So it's cost him a couple of million, brush it under the carpet, get him out of the way. Which, listen, go on, play football, do what you got to do. Go Saudi, go America, go wherever you want. Yeah, that doesn't really matter, does it? Yeah, but the fact that so many people are like just sitting there with the opinion of he definitely did it. Well, nobody knows, do they? Because it never went for a trial. So yes, on one hand, we can all have an opinion that yes, he did it or no, he didn't do it, but nobody actually knows. And the fact that so many people are sitting there when, let's be real, right? They're all trying to claim that they're perfect themselves. They love to jump on these bandwagons. Yeah, and if it's fashionable, they'll jump on it. Right? At the end of the day, if he's not been found guilty in court and gone to trial, right, then the woman's still with him and had his baby. I don't see what the issue is here. Yeah, because she's clearly happy to be with the guy. But then you'll get people coming, oh, but she's scared. How do you know that? Like, I just find it baffling. I find it absolutely baffling. I've seen people clipping up me in rants earlier and that. Like, get in the bin, man. You lot have got time, I swear. Yeah, at the end of the day, you people love to chat crap. You love to think that, like, your lives are so perfect and everything's great. The fact and reality is if he was found guilty and charged and gone to a trial and actually went through the trial and we got the full ins and outs of it, then cool. Then we can form a proper opinion based on actual hard evidence. The fact that the woman's still with him and it's been thrown out because the key witness, i.e. her, has pulled out and new evidence came to light suggests, well, we don't know the whole truth then, do we? So now it's just hearsay. At the end of the day, it is what it is. Yeah, it is what it is. Yeah, and I'm sure there's other footballers at other clubs that have done likewise or been accused of likewise. We know that there's a footballer at Barcelona that's actually put somebody 6 foot under. Yeah, anyway, it is what it is. Yeah, I know it's a controversial story, and it's only controversial, yeah, because people are getting so irate over a man that's not been convicted and gone to a trial, right, off of hearing a 40-second voice message and a couple of pictures. Like, we don't know the whole truth. We don't know the whole background of it. And like I said, that was what, nearly 2 years ago, 18 months ago, this all came to light. Well, 18 months later, they've had a baby. So what's it got to do with me, you, or anyone else? What happens? Yeah, again, judge, jury, and executioner on social media. And Man United have got rid of him. And Man United fans on social media are cheering and jumping for joy. So it's what it is, isn't it? It's not my club. Yeah, it's Man United. So let them crack on. Yeah, the fact is they can crack on stinking it out with Garnacho and Anthony. Yeah, and Rashford. Because I'll tell you what, he's better than all three of them. And it's now going to cost them quite a lot of money to go and replace him, if they even bother to replace him at all, which they probably won't, because their owners ain't interested. They're not a serious football club anymore, are they? But listen, people will go one way or the other on this. Oh, Lee, you're disgusting. You're this, you're that. Cool, whatever. I ain't reading the comments anyway. I'm bored. I'm gonna go and watch some football. I ain't interested in it. I thought, right, I've had enough of this now. So I'll put a video out. You lot can all argue in the comments. Some people will agree, some people will disagree. Yeah, for me, like I said, the fact is he's not gone to trial. The woman's still with him. They're getting married. They've had a baby. That's it. That's it. But anyway, let me know your thoughts and feelings down below if you want to. Like I said, I won't be reading the comments. I'm going to be watching the football. And all have a wonderful evening. I will be back again tomorrow. Smash the likes up. Subscribe. Comments. Super chats. All that jazz. Do what you got to do. Adios.